Hey everyone, Chris over here at AceVacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia. Just want to say thank you guys for all the support over the last weekend. We had a great week. We had a lot of good things going on, so if you guys came out and supported us over the weekend last week, we greatly appreciate it. We just want to give you guys a reminder. Some people forget that we only do vacuums, but we also carry shampooing supplies as well too. So if you have a Bissell or a Hoover or anything like that and you're needing supplies like belts, new rollers, shampoo, fresheners, different things like that for your shampoo or stuff to help get your carpets clean, come see us. We have all the stuff you need, from different types of carpet shampoo, pet deodorizers, Scotch guards, stain removers, all that type of stuff. So if you need anything at all to help with those pesky stains at the house, give us a shout here at AceVacuums. Come see us and we'll help you guys out with whatever you need. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, as well as YouTube, and we'll help you out and check you guys out. Thank you.